Hey, it's Bey, and today I'm going to be reviewing the BellFyd Tactical Pen. I want to first point out that BellFyd did send their tactical pen for me to review, but my thoughts and opinions have not changed because of this. This is a really inexpensive pen and it currently goes for under $20 on Amazon. It comes with a bunch of different tools that will help you in emergency situations and in everyday situations. I'll put a link in the description if you're interested. Inside the box, you get the pen itself, 2 extra sets of batteries for the flashlight, and a pen refill. The pen refill and the extra batteries are a nice touch, especially at this price point, so I'm glad they included them. My first impressions when I first picked this pen up is that it felt very solid and had a good amount of weight to it. I can already tell that this pen is going to last a long time. It's also a little bit longer than your average pen. It weighs about 2.4 ounces and it's 6.29 inches long. It also looks like a standard pen, but the tip isn't the writing tip. It's actually a glass breaker that's made out of tungsten steel and the tip is fairly sharp. A scenario in which this feature would be useful is if you're trapped in your car and you need to get out very quickly. You can definitely hurt someone with this tip, which makes it great for self-defense. You can unscrew this tip to remove it if you want. If you unscrew further up the body, you get the multi-tool. The multi-tool feature has a screwdriver, bottle opener, scraper, hex wrench, and serrated edge. The serrated edge isn't really sharp though, and it just looks like jimping to me. I also want to point out that the multi-tool was covered in some sort of oil, so make sure you wipe it off if you decide to purchase this pen. When you unscrew the middle section, you get the actual pen for writing. It's a ballpoint, but it writes really well and it also writes really smooth. I actually wouldn't mind using this as an everyday carry pen, even though I'm used to writing with fountain pens. To access the refill, just unscrew the pen tip and the refill comes right out. Last but not least, you get the flashlight. I really appreciate that they included 2 extra sets of 3 batteries for this pen. However, the set of batteries that came inside of my pen were not working. I even tried unwrapping them out of the plastic and they still didn't work. I did check on the 2 other sets of batteries and they worked perfectly fine. 2 out of 3 is not bad though. The flashlight itself is pretty bright for its size and it's definitely going to help out when you're in need of a flashlight. Overall, this is a great everyday carry pen to carry around. It can be used as self-defense, but it also contains tools that you can use in everyday scenarios. It also has great build quality, which means that it will last for a long time. I highly recommend this tactical pen for everyday use, especially at this price point. Again, I'll leave a link in the description to Amazon if you're interested. That was my video review of the BellFyd Tactical Pen. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you get a notification every time I upload. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!